Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Cal Royal number 1001 ADA US32D. This is a pull plate is what this is, and it will be shipped to you with loose plate, the pull handle not attached, but you'll just attach that. You can see how that's going to work. And then your screw package. You're going to get not only the 1/4 20 flathead stove bolts with the finish washers, but also the oval head screws for the installation as well. Okay. Now let's go over some dimensional properties of the item. And first of all, the white surface that you see here is just the peel-away protective film that's covering the brushed stainless surface. That's all stainless. You can see from the backside, that's what mill stainless looks like. Not that it, I suppose, really matters, but to someone who looks at unfinished stainless, that's definitely what that looks like. Okay. Brushed finish. Thickness of the plate is going to be 50 thousandths of an inch, 0.050. That means that it's the same thickness as a standard kick plate. It's the common thickness. It is possible in the world to supply you with thinner plates and then significantly thicker plates, but 50 thousandths is the common one. Now the pull handle, that's nice and heavy. This entire item with the screw packages weighs 2.15 pounds, and this is for sure the majority of it. That's a piece of solid stainless steel. They say in the part number they've got the letters ADA, and that would infer that this is a handicap compliant item. And in order for something to be handicap compliant in terms of a pole, you have to have a 2.5 inch clearance on the inside, at least to my understanding. And this does not have that. This has a clearance of about 1 7/8, and it's 3/4 inch diameter. So the fact that they have ADA in the part number, I mean, it means, I think they're trying to infer that it's ADA compliant. Technically, this is not, so keep that in mind when considering this as an option. Okay, the diameter is 3/4 inch. The center to center on the pull handle 6 inch, so that means it'll be 6 3/4 overall. Screw package. The through bolts are intended for an 1 3/4 thick door, but it's a nice quality item, very nice quality item, especially when you consider the cost. The fit and finish is excellent on this material from Cal Royal. There's, you know, if you inspect this quite closely, you might detect practically undetectable surface defects, but it's a very good looking, handsome pole, and I wouldn't hesitate to use it in those applications where cost was important, good quality fit and finish was important, and not handicap compliant. Did not tell you the dimensions of the plate. This is going to be 4 by 16, 16 inch tall, 4 inch wide, and that's very typical and common. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog that will allow you to review a variety of builder's hardware or accessory hardware, like trim and auxiliary hardware from Cal Royal. This plate will be found down in the back end or the rear of the section, along with other items that are very complementary to it. You will also see a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet. It's a dimensional drawing of the item and definitely bears out all of the dimensional properties that we've provided in addition to a few others. Okay. And finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Cal Royal products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I'm partial to Cal Royal, and it's because, well, frankly, there are a lot of people that import hardware from Asia. Cal Royal is at the top of my list of caliber when it comes to those companies that do this. Why? Good quality, good value. Okay, you can buy an imported push plate from probably dozens of people, but what Cal Royal does to distinguish themselves is they're really not selling you this pull plate, in my opinion. They're selling you the service behind it. You send an order to Cal Royal, and in almost all instances, predictable, reliable, prompt shipping lead times, paperwork flows, tracking numbers flow, and that's really what you want. Because you know what? You can buy an imported pull plate from a lot of different people. They distinguish themselves with the service. And that's why, over, for sure, 2 decades, I continue to be a client of theirs. If you have any questions on the Cal Royal 1001 ADA US32D pull plate or any other Cal Royal product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.